Namaste viewers, welcome to MK Chastrovastu YouTube channel. I am here, your Jyotisha Vastu Acharya Manjunath. So, welcome once again to our channel. We are here today for the Rashi Bhavishya, that is the predictions for Rashi, for all the Rashis from Mesha to Meena Rashis. So, but in first episode, we are supposed to cover for the 4 Rashis, that is Mesha, Rushabha and Mithuna and Kataka Rashis. So far in English version, we are covering these topics for our all our world viewers who are viewing from outside the Karnataka. There is a demand from public like to cover with all the languages like English and Hindi. So far we are covering for a English episode here. We are speaking in this episode for Rashi Bhavishya for the May 2020. The Rashi predictions, that is zodiac signs. In English it is tend to say Aries and Taurus and Gemini and the Cancer sign. That is for in Kannada we are tend to say Mesha, Rushabha, Mithuna and Kataka Rashis. So let us begin with the Kala Purusha's first Rashi, that is the Mesha Rashi, that is Aries sign. So viewers, I want to just share my screen for your information about the Mesha Rashi. So I think viewers are able to see about the Mesha Rashi here. So what is the special thing is told in your Rashi for this month of May 2020? Let us see basically things what is involved in. First, whatever I tend to say, the first primary points. So the main thing for the Mesha Rashi is, let us see what is your speciality first. So the Mesha Rashi, for you people, the symbol comes with the goat, the female goat, and your Rashadipati means the house owner is the planet Mars, and you belong to the fiery sign, and it is in Chara Rashi, and east is a good direction for you people. And the thing is like in Kala Purusha, natural zodiac represents the head part, and the lucky gemstone tends to be coral. The lucky colors for you people are the white and the red, and the lucky days for you people are the Sunday and Tuesdays. And the lucky gods for you people, that is the Mahashiva and the Lord Anjaneya or Maruti. The good numbers are lucky numbers for you people. The Mesha Rashi people are the 6 and 9, and the lucky dates followed by 9, 8 and the 27. And the friendly signs for you people is a Simha Rashi, Tula Rashi and Dhanus Rashi, and the enemy signs for you people are the Mithuna and Kanya Rashi. And let us see what is the positive points for you people, means the positive notes, that is you are tend to be very aggressive and you are very achievement and target oriented people, and you will not leave anybody's challenge unturned. Means any person challenges you that you can't do this, then you will take up a challenge and you will perform the task. That is your major factor here. And negativity, a little bit negative, it's not a negative. Sometimes you tend to be impatient, sometimes you tend to be sudden angry mood. This is the thing. And in Mesha Rashi, the 3 nakshatras, that is followed by Ashwini, Bharani and Kritika, these 3 nakshatras. So let us see firstly the transits, what is the result for you people in a May month. So first let us see the Graha Gochara, means the transit of the planets here. Here in your Rashi only, the planet Sun and the Mercury is in a first house, Venus is in a second house, Rahu is in a third house, Ketu is in 9th house, and in a 10th house, that is Mars, Saturn and Jupiter. So the first 15 days, the transit results tends to be like this. So whatever you are enjoying the good days, that is to be continued, and in your workplace you will get the prizes from your bosses, and there will be a high increase in your salary, and there tends to be little sort of attitude along with your salary increase. Please control that, and there might be a chances of getting the something litigation related to the land. Be careful about that. And whoever working for a government or who are having the pending works with the government, those will be solved easily this month. And whatever the things you are supposed to get recovery of an amount from anybody, you will get this month. And there will be a good cordial relationship with the wife, and family relationship you enjoys it more. And whoever having birthday or something like, they are tend to get the gift of vehicles. That is a positive note. And whichever tends to be negative, so worship Lord Naga Devata, so which will give you fruitful result, viewers. So next half period, that tends from May 16 to May 31st. Here you tend to sign the new agreements, and you will get the new source of income here. And there will be a some sort of whatever the litigations which is going on, ongoing litigations, that will turn up to be positive. And whoever in a love affairs, there tend to be a positive note for you people. So you tend to enjoy your love life, and you will help for the your relatives who are suffering in the bad times. Already in the market, there is a lot of negativity going. Lot of people are worried due to the lockdown, corona, COVID-19 disease. So along with that, these are the positive points for you people. And the remedy for you people is, you visit any Nagashetras. Now at all the temples are closed, but you can worship from home itself. Pray Lord Nagadevata, worship the Nagadevata with just chanting the mantra. These things you can do in home. Once it is all the thing is open, you can visit for a Nagadevata Kshetra in any week of the May. This is a remedy. So moving on, let us see the another Rashi here. That is a Taurus sign. In Kannada, in Sanskrit, we tend to say it is called as Rishabha Rashi. So for you people, Rishabha Rashi, there are the three nakshatras. Those tend to be Kritika, Rohini, and Vrikshira nakshatras. For you people, the symbol is the bull, and the house lord is the planet Venus, and it is a Arthi sign, and it is a fixed sign also. And the south is a good direction for you people. And it is a Varna is of Vaishya Varna, and whatever that nature is very smooth nature. And the lucky stones tends to be the blue sapphire and the white sapphire. And lucky colors also, the blue and the white is lucky color for you people, Taurus sign people. And the lucky days tend to be Fridays and Saturdays. And the Adrushta Devata means the lucky god is Lord Mahalakshmi Devi. And the lucky numbers tends to be 6 and 8. And whatever the lucky dates are the 6, 15 and 24. And the friendly signs for you Taurus sign people is the Makara Rashi and Kumbha Rashi. And the enemy signs people are the Simha Rashi and Dhanus Rashi for you people. And what is the positive point is that you are very pitiful persons, and you will tend to help the needy people. And positiveness, you will tend to enjoy the more comfortable life. The negative thing is, sometimes you feel you tend to become lazy, or you tend to take the decisions very early, which might harm you people. So let us see what are the things like which is covered in the May predictions for you. Let us see first transits of the planets here. So for a transit of planets, luckily the planet Venus, which is a house lord, is in one sign itself. And planet Rahu is in a second house, and Ketu is in 8th house. And the planet Mars, Saturn and Jupiter is in a 9th house. And the planet Sun and Mercury is in a 12th house. So as our program pattern is following, we are seeing in a split this one for first 15 days and next 15 days. So for first 15 days, viewers, you will be investing for the home, means who are constructing the home, they will invest more amount in that one. And there will be a moksha thinking for your wife, means related to moksha, your wife will think on that pattern. And you will get a gain from your mother's side. And there will be some sort of ill health to your mother. Please be careful about that one. And whoever doing the electronics business, they will get the gains this month. And whoever tend to travel in the sense it might take long travel or short travel, they used to get some sort of laziness here. So chanting Sri Rama, Sri Nama mantra is good for you, or you can worship the Lord Shiva, Sri Rama. This is also good remedy. And viewers, as we are splitting into two parts of the month, the next part of the month, second half of the month, that is from 16th May to 31st May. So here there will be some sort of ill health to the wife also. Be careful about that one. And there will be a litigation related to the land. So just be careful. And there will be some sort of negativity for your paternal side. And you will be spending for new items. And who are doing the steel and whatever that furniture and construction business, they have to put a lot of efforts for this one. So whoever in a love affairs, there will be a good sort of coordination for you people, the Taurus people, Vrishabha Rashi people. So whoever the students, there will be some sort of a self, they will making self trouble. So be careful, don't make any self trouble for you people. And whoever thinking for a family relationships, there will be some sort of mental agony in the family relationships. And and whoever that students are also having some sort of mental worries in their study, or might be academics thing, might be there were ongoing tensions. You might be knowing many exams are not due to the corona and all its effects. So that might be some sort of worry or some sort of worry with respect to planetary position. So simple remedy for you people, that is just chant Aditya Rudayam. It will be helpful for you. So these are all the things. And people are frequently asking about Corona. Sir, when Corona is going? Guruji, when is Corona is going? So be patient. May 4th, the Corona transit means that Mars is transiting to the Aquarius sign. Until May 3-4, the Corona is at the peak. And regarding this detailed in our YouTube channel only, go through all our videos. We have spoken detailed about the coronavirus when it is going to exit. So be patient about it. So let us move on, viewers, about for next the sign, that is the Mithuna Rashi. That is a Gemini sign here. So what is a special store for you people, Gemini people? So the Gemini people consists for 3 nakshatras in your Rashi sign, that is Mrigashira, Aridra and Punarvasu. So just briefing about the Rashi. The Rashi, the sign is there is a pair of women that is called as Mithuna. So Rashadipati means the house lord is a Mercury here, and it is a ether element consisting means Akasha Tattva, and means it is a west direction is good for you people, and means your something it is a representation of a shoulder in our natural zodiac sign. And the Rashi stone is that is the emerald, green emerald. In Hindi it is called as Panna, in Kannada we used to say Pach. And the means the lucky color tends to be green and yellow, and the lucky days are Wednesday, Mondays, and Adrushta Devata, the lucky gods tends to be Lord Ganpati. The lucky numbers for you people is 2, 3, 5 and 6. And the lucky dates for you people are 5, 14 and 23. And the friendly signs are Mesha Rashi, Simha Rashi, Tula Rashi, Kanya Rashi. And the opposite people means Shatru Rashi tends to be Kataka Rashi for you people. And the special nature for you people are you tends to be very romantic person, and you will not a fearful. You are very forward moving person, and you tend to be the positive pointer. You are very pitiful person, and negative. Sometimes people think you are something selfish, and you will take decision without proper consultation. This is not the right thing. This is a negative thing they are thinking about you people. So let us see, viewers, what are the main things, like that is the May month transit for you people. So let us see in May month transit, the Graha Sthiti means the Rashi transits the planets transits for your Rashis. Rahu is in a first house and Ketu is in a seventh house. And the planet Mars, Guru and Shani, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn tends to be in 8th house. Planet Sun and the Mercury is in 11th house, and Venus is in 12th house. So for you people, first 15 days there will be a helpful from the female side, and you tend to plan for visit for beautiful places, and there will be some sort of vairagya for your wife in life. There will be you will get a gains in property matters. But negative point, you tend to something laziness, and whatever the arguments you do, you will tend to get joy in this, and you will get to win that arguments. And whoever doing the businesses, there is a good sort of income is there, and there is a good income from the female side also. So just chant for Sri Rama Raksha Stotra, it will be helpful for you people. And the next half, as I quoted, so next half comes to the 16th to 31st May. That is, there will be some sort of what I tend to say, that is some sort of pressure from this end, means pressure in a sort in our workplace, and there is an introduction of a new friends in your life, and due to the planetary position, you tend to start the new work also, and whoever the younger generation working, they will get the new opportunities in their businesses. Chanting Aditya Hridayam gives you the good result. So in this episode, the last Rashi that stands to be the Cancer sign, the Kataka Rashi, or May 2020. Let us see what are the basic parameters for a Kataka Rashi first, and then we can move to the May 2020 prediction for you people. So Kataka Rashi, here the three nakshatras again, Punarvasu, Pushyami and Ashlesha nakshatra viewers. So your Rashi symbol is the Cancer, that means that is the that is tend to be the crab sign, which I am showing you in the picture. So your Rashi Lord is the Lord Moon itself, and this is a watery sign Rashi, Charatattva, and north direction it is a representation of, and this represents the chest part in the natural zodiac. And the Rashi gemstone is the pearl, and what are the lucky colors tends to be white and red. And the main important lucky days are the Mondays and Sundays for you. And the Adrushta Devata is the Lord Mahashiva, and the lucky numbers tends to be 1, 2, 4, 7. And the lucky dates are 2, 11, 20 and 29. And the friendly signs are the Vrushchika Rashi, Meena Rashi, Tula Rashi. And Shatru Rashi means the inimical signs for you people, the Mesha Rashi, Simha Rashi, Dhanusu and Mithuna Rashi. And the positive point for you, you are very workaholic, and you are very steady person nature, which used to study a lot, and you have the tendency of a business, and you have the business knowledge and the practical knowledge in this world, and you are a very active person. But negativity of you people are, you sometimes tends to be very furious with respect to any quarrels, and you tend to find out the smaller mistakes in anyone's life. That tends to be some sort of negativity. So viewers, the May month predictions for you people. In May, the whatever you see, whatever the planetary positions for you people, let us see what is that. So in May, the planetary positions are like this. The Ketu is in the 6th house. The planet Mars and Saturn and Guru is in 7th house. The planet Sun and Mercury is in a 10th house. And planet Venus is in 11th house. Rahu is in 12th house. The first 15 days will be like this. So there will be some sort of a family struggles with respect to wife. So this leads to some sort of a spirituality thinking in your mind, and there will be a lot of stress in your work. You might be doing businesses, or you might be working in a government, and there will be some sort of a quarrel, litigation in the family. It may take to the court matters also, and there will be some sort of recession in the family or yourself, and there will be some sort of cheating from your friends end only, means your family side, friends end, and some sort of unnecessary money wastage due to the purchasing of the goods. So just simple remedy for you people, just to worship the Lord Raghavendra Swami. This is enough for you to overcome all the problems. So next 15 days for you people, that is a Kataka Rashi for you people. So this comes also mixed result for next 15 days. There will be help from your father and in your businesses, and there will be a little sort of health issues for your father. Be careful about that. Over having the unemployment, they will tend to spend the money for their employment, but they tend to cheat it. So don't provide any money in a sort of getting employment. So and whenever driving, be careful with the driving. Ketu is in a 6th house. So and there will be a mental agony, mental worries, and whoever having businesses, there is also sort of many irritations in the businesses, and who are having the love affairs also, so they are also having the problems. So simple remedy for this, just donate any sort of thing to brahmanas, because brahmanas are the thing which are there is a saying, whoever closer to the Lord Brahma is called as the brahmanas. So that is not by the caste. Whoever interested in reading Vedas, whoever performing the Brahmana activities becomes a Brahman. So this is all. So this is all the spirituality. So viewers, we have seen through the predictions for the May 2020 for first 4 signs: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and the Cancer sign. So in the next episodes, we are planned to cover another 4 Rashis. So stay tuned with our channel. So like our channel, subscribe, click on the bell icon to receive all the notifications. And we will share the Facebook link also. In Facebook, we are running the daily live program, that is from 8 to 8:30. That live programs runs from Sunday to Friday, 8 to 8:30. Saturday is holiday over there, and you can ask your personal related questions, and you can get remedies over there online itself. You can comment there, or you can comment there. So for consultations, you can call around our office number 9513894333 from morning 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. We are available there. And any questions regarding this video, just please comment below in our comments. So thank you viewers for completely watching this video. Stay tuned with our channel. We can meet in a next episodes. Namaste. Hare Krishna.